Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. I do hope that everyone's doing good. So in this video you're going to see a basic tutorial of TradingView. Now this is for everyone who is just a beginner and just starting off with their trading journey. TradingView is an extremely important tool. This is a recording of the live classes that I take on my mentorship batches. In that this was one of the days where I explained TradingView to them in very high detail. So just watch it and let me know if you find it helpful, and it will be more helpful for you, just to let you know, because there will be live questions that they have asked me. I solved them, so things are way too detailed. So yeah, please enjoy this video. Let me know if you find this helpful. Stay tuned and I will be coming up with more videos. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to another class. Today will be probably day 6, I think, and we have covered a lot till now, but today we are going to see how to actually use this software, because I want you guys to actually use this software, practice that whatever stuff you're learning in class. And if you don't practice, things will never work out, because I will show you something here, but for you to do it on your own, you have to practice. So today I'm going to show you exactly from A to Z how to use TradingView, and I will solve every single doubt, and ask me as many doubts as possible, because I might upload this video to YouTube also for other people to learn how to use TradingView. And when you guys ask me more queries, this video will become more detailed than it can be if I made it alone. So we are going to start with the video. Now, the first thing everyone should do is, this is called TradingView. TradingView is basically a charting software. There are several charting softwares available, but one of the famous and nice ones with a lot of features and easy to use is called TradingView. Now, TradingView comes in mobile app, and TradingView comes in, if I show you guys here, if I click here, you can access it through the internet also directly, and then you can download the mobile app of it also, or you can download the desktop or the Mac app of it also. So right now I have the app of it. So here I suggest everyone that has their personal laptop, download the app right now. And then we'll also do it on the phone, where I'll share my phone's screen and I'll teach you how to use it on the phone. So we make sure that we cover both interfaces on the laptop also and on the phone also. So just everyone can go to tradingview.com, and you can download, if you have a laptop, you can download TradingView, download. Okay. So TradingView desktop application, you should download this for Windows if you have a Windows, for Mac OS if you have Mac OS, and I don't know about Linux. If you have Linux, then you can download it from here. And if you're having issues to download, I will teach you eventually on the browser. First, try to download it. So you guys have downloaded the app or the desktop version
App.
on the mobile?
Oh, laptop.
Okay, on the laptop. Okay. So I will like any one of you to share their screen. So I will guide step by step from there. So I'll stop my screen share and I'll give access to someone else to share their screen. Okay, so right now this is the first chart that you'll get on TradingView once you download it. It's Apple, and this is a watch list they have made. Now the first thing that you should do is you should open an account in this. So I want you to click on the three dot menu on the corner. Yeah. And then you can press sign in. So sign in with your Google account or whatever you're comfortable with. In the app, it will take you to the browser, and in the browser, then you can, yeah. So just make sure you hide all of your personal stuff, because we are recording this. If you have any, you can cut the WhatsApp tab if you want. Account not found, you have to create a new account with it, because you're doing it for the first time. Yeah. Same Manoj, you also create an account like this. If you have issues, let me know. I will ask you to share your screen.
Yeah, okay.
Hmm. So Nirmal, is it
Yes,
you
yes.
have? Okay,
I have.
you
I
have
joined.
account. Okay. Next, they're just teaching you crosshair sync, tabs linked by symbol. So now you are. I think you have logged in. Yeah, I can see V over there. So you have logged in. Now the next thing that you should do is, I will give you my layout. Okay. I want you to go to settings, click on settings, double click. Are you using a mouse or are you using? Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. Okay, go to canvas. Yeah, now in canvas you can click on solid. It's in solid only. Why is there this grid? Oh, vertical grid and horizontal grid. Turn that off. Vertical grid and horizontal grid. Okay, so this makes our charting platform screen more clear. Just click OK now. Okay. So now go to indicators.
Here.
Yeah, on the top. No, on the top, on the top. Right, right, more right. More right.
Okay.
You can
Got
see indicators. Yeah. Now search moving average ribbon. So because you guys are on the free version, no, moving average ribbon. Just search, yes, click on that. So what happened? No, only put one. You have put two. Cut this, cut this. It's okay. You can cut it over here. Cut this. Get out of this indicators tab.
it.
Yeah, and then delete one. And then delete one. You can see here two MA ribbon, SMA 20, SMA 50, SMA 100 on the left.
Yeah.
Yeah, just cut one. See if you take it. Yeah, you can see the dustbin sign. Yeah, exactly. So now the thing about this indicator is you get four different moving averages in one single indicator. Since you are on the free version, you will not be able to put more than three indicators on your chart. Okay, so you have to find hacks. I will teach you how to do it. So one of the very easy ways is, if this is an open source code language, I will do it for you. What you can do is you can copy the code. You can copy the code of three, four indicators, paste it on your GPT or your what do you call any AI app. Then you can get a compiled code of all the indicators. So for that, I will show you how to do that one by step. But right now you have this SMA indicator. This is enough. Now I want you to drag this Apple thingy down. Can you see this tab on the right where is Apple written? More down. Come scroll a little more down. No. Don't scroll like that. Just bring your cursor down. Bring your cursor down. See. See. No, go up. Go up. Go more up. Keep going up. Keep going up. The symbol will change. No. Come slowly. I want you to. No, do it slow. Little more up, bro. Up. Just bring the cursor on that line where this little more up.
Here.
Not change. Yeah. I want you to drag this down. The symbol should change. I don't know.
Oh,
It's not changed. It changed just now. Yeah. See, it changed.
yeah.
Yeah. Now drag it down. Hold it and drag it.
Like this.
Yes, like that. Drag it fully down. We don't need it. Good. Perfect. Now, this is your watch list. Okay. This is the volumes tab. I'll give you a separate indicator for volume. So it looks like my volume indicator. Now, volume I have not taught yet. So we will learn about volume right now. So is everyone on the same page? Then I will start explaining things on the same page.
Oh, yes, Parthib.
Okay.
Yes, sir, but mine is a bit different because it's on iPad. So mine is
Okay,
a bit different.
it's an iPad, right? It's not an
Yeah,
issue. I feel like you can do one thing. You can go on the browser on your iPad, or
okay.
I feel like the app is well good enough.
App is
Things will
good.
be
The app is good, but the layout is very different.
okay. You can share your screen once. I will just see your layout. Vedish, you
Okay.
can turn off your screen.
Can you see?
I can see your screen, but it's on the Zoom tab only.
Yeah.
Open
Huh?
trading one. Okay. So this is perfectly fine. It's not actually different. I will just show you. So the thing is, the iPad one or the tablet one is more optimized. So that watch list thing Vedish has on the right, you have it on the top. Watch list chart, explore, community, and menu.
Yeah.
Okay, these are the things they have. Now this is the same watch list you guys will have because this is what the TradingView has made it standardized for everyone. So once you download the app, you get a watch list like this, and they have segmented it into what do you call subsections, which I'll teach you how to make. But right as of now, You don't need this. So go to chart. Yeah. So now down below, I think if you take your hand down, yeah, if you take your hand down, no, don't
Yeah.
scroll down. Take your hand down. There will be this menu that should pop up. No, niche. Go down,
Yeah.
absolutely down. So I don't think it's getting cut on my screen. Yeah, I think it's getting cut on. Yeah, exactly. Now I can see it. So it's getting, yeah, exactly.
This
This.
plus one.
So you have to use this. This you can use for. You have already put the SMA ribbon indicator. So I know
Yeah.
how you can put indicators. But this is the whole tab. This arrow
Yeah.
mark, this pencil you see over here.
Yeah.
Here you will get your drawing tools. Yeah, see now you'll have your drawing tools. So everything that is on the desktop is on the app just below here. The thing is,
Okay.
it's just more optimized a little bit, so it looks a little different. But if you toggle around, and
Hmm.
you will eventually find out whatever tool we are discussing on the desktop.
Okay.
So you can turn off your screen recording. Vedish will share and we'll continue. Vedish, share your screen. Okay, bro. Let's go. Make it big fully. Okay. So in the free version, we have only one watch list. So if you want more watch list, you'll eventually have to upgrade to the paid software, but you don't have to do it right now. So we will start off directly from the right, absolute right, where we can see your name V. Okay, if you guys have logged in, if V for Vedesh, M for Manoj, S for Sunirmal, you will be able to see on the desktop. Now on the right of that, where you see AAPL written, can you go on the right? Left, fully left, on the left, absolute left. Yeah, go on top, go a little right now. Okay, yeah. So we will cover one by one. So make sure we go one by one. So if you click here, the keyboard will pop up and you can search another symbol. Now you can search Reliance. Search Reliance. Reliance. Yeah. Yeah. Now open the first one. So this is how you actually switch charts. Okay. If you don't have a symbol which is in the watch list, or simply if you want to open any chart, you go click here and then you search, and then we'll be able to uh, view the chart. Okay. Now
Parthiv,
next, yeah,
can,
tell.
can you tell once again how to
Uh,
switch?
okay. So just go and click on that tab, symbol search,
Okay.
and then you can search the name of any company you want here. It can be international, it can be national, any company you can search. You can search gold, XAU, USD, and then you can just, so for example, you search Reliance here. Now once Reliance is search, a lot of recommendations will come. Okay. So open the one which we see stock.nse. If it's a national exchange, national securities exchange stock, it will do open NSE, and stocks which are good, like actually very liquid, they're available on both. So NSE and BSE. So what is NSE and BSE is like? They're basically data providers. Okay. They provide data basically. The NSE and BSE basically provides data, which, so all these candles you see, all this data that you see is not actually given by TradingView. There are different brokers and there are different data providers across the world which feed their data into TradingView, and TradingView makes them into the candles, and then you can calculate moving averages and you can use your indicators. Manoj, did you get how to open new companies and
Yeah.
how to say? Okay, next we'll go to this plus symbol. Just click on that plus symbol. We'll explore it. What is this? Uh, yes, click on it. Okay, so this is compare symbols. You don't need it right now. Cut it. It's for comparison. Cut this. Next, click on D. Can you see D? Yep. If you click on D, yeah. So this is where you can choose your time frame, which time frame you want to see. So you have from one tick to, I think if you scroll down, you will have till I think 12 months. Yes, 12 months or 100 ranges. So click on 1 week. So now once you click on 1 week, you see this is the 1 week chart of Reliance. So if I say let's go on the weekly, that means that I'm asking you guys to switch on the weekly chart. If I say that let's switch on the daily, I'm asking you guys to switch on the daily chart. Now, what is time frames and how to use time frames efficiently? That is a different topic. But here, from here, you can switch your time frames, which time frames you're looking at. So weekly chart means one candle is made up of 1 week of data. Daily chart means one candle is made up of 1 day of data. Okay. Is everyone okay with this?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next thing we have is candlestick chart. Can you go on the right side of W? Vedish, up, same place. Yes, this one. Candles. Click on it. So candlesticks chart is something which is made famous and which is very famous. But in this world, there are various other types of charts that are available. Okay. So this is candles, and then above it something called bars. If you click on bars, on the top, first one. Yep. Now you see this. The candles changed. The thing is, candles are nothing more than a way to represent data that has happened on the chart. Now, when you switch to bar chart, this is that same data, but just in a different format. Now go on the chart thingy again. Yep. And now click on area. Can you see area? Yeah. So see, this is the same data, but it just looks different. So if you want to view your data in a different way, you can change the chart type that you're viewing from this tab. Okay. This tab is for like there is a lot of data, and more than that, a lot of people want to view data in a different ways. So you can do it from here. Now you can click over there again. We'll explore one more chart, then we'll move on to the next one. So there is only high low, or click on volume footprint. I don't know if volume footprint is okay. So it's in premium. Yeah, cut it. It will show this. You don't need this right now. So do step line. Click step line. Yeah. So now this, can you scroll the chart everywhere, left to right, fully? Yeah, see? So this is how the chart looks now. Now you can go up again. You can go up again. Yep. And then you can click candles. So candles is the chart that we will be using the most, but a lot of people sometimes like to use hollow candles. Hollow candles and candles are kind of same. So if you just click on hollow candles, Vedish. So this is nothing more than the candles become hollow, and it's not mandatory to have these setup. You can go to settings, and I'll show you settings once again. Next thing we'll do is indicators. You can switch back to normal candles, and we'll continue on indicator. Yep. Can you click on this thing, on this arrow below MA ribbon? No. Stay on the same tab. Can you click on this tab below MA ribbon? I want this indicator to be hidden. On the left, on the absolute left, come straight down. Right, little right. No, not that much down. Go up. Can you see MA ribbon written? Yeah. And now below that there is an arrow, you see.
Yeah.
So this is hide indicators legend. So this arrow everyone will have. So once you put an indicator over here, the name of that indicator will pop up, but you don't need it always on your screen. So if you click on this arrow, you can hide this indicator. Click on it. See, now this indicator is hidden. It will show 2. If you have 3, it will show 3. If you have 4, it will show 4. If you have 20, it will show 20. Okay. Now, next thing is the indicators tab. You can click on indicators.
This one, right?
Yes. So now indicators, you will get, if you search anything, search relative strength. Search REL. See, there are so many indicators that are coming. Okay. These are free indicators. Some are paid indicators. Some indicators some people have made by themselves, and they give it to only access to people who are their students. This is like a store for indicators. You can come here, try a lot of indicators that are for free, or buy a lot of indicators that you want specifically from someone. So I have published a few paid indicators. I have published a few free indicators. So you can a lot of people like me in this world, they have made a lot of indicators which you can access from here. So ones that you will need, I will tell you eventually what indicators do you need to use to trade the way I trade. So this is the indicators tab. Is everyone clear? I'll increase the speed because we have a lot of things to cover. Now we'll move on to the next one. click on this four boxes. Let me see, because I also don't click on it. Okay, so this is what basically template is. You can make templates. So let's suppose you put 10 different types of indicator in a combination, and now you want to use this indicator template. So you can save this as template 1. Then you can save another template as template 2. So every time you need, you can change the indicators that you want to use. But this is an advanced feature. You don't actually need so many indicators and so many charts. So this is used for this. When you need this, I will teach you then eventually. But right now you don't need to. On the right side, you have alert. Alert is basically you can set alerts on TradingView. So I'll show you how to set alerts also right now. Just scroll on the chart down below. No. Go scroll fully down. Yeah. Now go on this price thingy, 1520. Go on 1520. Can you see on your chart on the right side? Yep. Now do a right click. Do a right click. Yes. Add alert on Reliance. Can you see? Yes. Add alert on Reliance. Now at which price do you want to set? Now if you click on the first thing, price. Next thing is crossing. If you click on crossing, there are a lot of options. Okay, crossing. Now you can see either it is crossing up or crossing down. You can change it from here. So we can click on crossing as of now. Let's move on to the next tab. Value. Click on value. Yeah. Just ignore this as of now. You don't need it. Next one. Yeah. So now this is the price. So now anytime if you have Reliance crossing, if the price of Reliance crosses 1519.70, you can click create and this indicator will create. This alert will be created. Now where it will send you a message, you can see message Reliance crossing 1519.70. Notifications will come in app and toast. You can basically like add your mail. So every time alert comes, they will send you a mail that this chart has crossed this line. And now then messages will be Reliance crossing 15. So messages you can modify. If you go and click on message on the left side, down, more down. Yep. If you click on message, yeah, you can search alert name from here and you can modify. If you want to put a customized name, like Reliance is crossing, sell this much quantity, Reliance is this, enter into the stock. So you can set names like that. So eventually when you have a lot of alerts on a lot of stocks, you don't forget, like it's easy for you to remember why did you put this alert even. So you can click on cancel now with this because we're not setting alert right now. But if you click on create, then the alert will be created. So the next thing is replay. So a replay mode is basically a feature which is there on the premium trading view. I think if you click replay, let's try it out.
It's working, I think so.
Actually, it's working. Select bar. Oh, now I think they gave an update where they gave it for free versions. Just click or select, just go to any bar. Just go to any bar, scroll it, take it to the left. Click here. Just click. Perfect. So now this chart is on replay mode. I showed you guys live feed on replay mode on my Mac, right? So now this is the same thing that is happening. So you can go and do your back testing here. What you can do is you can go back in time and you can hide all the things that have happened in the future and you can act like you are sitting in that present. So basically this is like back testing. In trading now we back test a lot. You'll hear this traders say a lot. Back testing is nothing more than using the data that has already happened to test out whether your strategies and your methods work or not. So you create a fake real-time environment. So you don't actually have to wait for the market to open next day and then you have to wait for the 20-day candle. You can just go back in the day. You can go from 2010, 2008, 2007. Click over there and then you can start trading from that point and test out if your strategy is working as per as you need or not. Okay? Did you get it, boys?
Yeah, Parthib, like, can you give one more example of?
Yeah, I'll give one more example. Where is click on select bar again? Select bar down on the left, low left. More down, come down, right, little more right. See select bar. Yeah. Now click on that. Go more left. Go as left as you can. Go as left as you can. Go, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Yeah. Now click. Now click enter. Just click on enter. Click here. Click. Just press over there.
It's not working.
It's not working. It should work. Click it once more. Yes.
Yeah.
Now you see it's working. So now from here you can go and press play. On the right side above select bar, below select bar. Come on, select bar, Bedit. Yeah. Come on, right? Yeah. Now you can play and pause from here. Play. Just put the speed on. Okay. Uh, Pause this once. Yeah. Now click on 1x, replace speed. You can put it on 5x. So from here, you can change the replace speed. If you click on 5x, now press play. So you can see the chart forming up. Now you can test. Yesterday you said, right, oh, what if I use moving averages? So you see the red candle over here got rejected from the yellow moving average, and then the prices fell. So now this is how actually the chart will be formed. Okay, so if you want to test out anything, you can just go back in replay mode and test your theory out fully. So now the price of the stock is going up, 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 up. So can I trade this? See, now this is a breakout. Okay, I will trade this. You traded this breakout. So you can actually see charts full day like this. So basically you build a sense and just think, what would I do if I was here? That is how I actually see charts. Don't just see charts. How to see charts, I will teach you that eventually. But this is a very important thing. So when you're seeing charts, don't just scroll on the charts. Use this feature, because if they have given it for free, I think a lot of traders requested them to give this for free, because this is a premium feature they had since day one. I also was never able to backtest when back in the day I started. So this
No,
will
it's
keep going on and on
Yeah.
and on. I think we are on the no. Okay, so see, this is on the moving average. It should move up from here. I know this is a perfect pattern. See now how beautifully it moved up. Now see it's going up and up. So, but moving average worked, but it worked because there was a proper base here. So you need to learn a lot of these things for actually to use moving averages, because if you use moving averages from any place, they won't work. So yeah, you can pause the replay with this, and then you can cut it. So this is what basically replay mode is. All the other buttons are not that of much use. So this is what replay mode is. So replay mode basically is like you can go and backtest and see charts, what was happening back in the day, kind of stuff. Okay. So now I want you guys to move on. Okay, so we have covered everything on the top. Now we'll cover this right thing. On the right side, can you see a box beside unnamed? Can you see unnamed?
Yeah.
Yeah, on the box. So this is called layout. If you click on layout, then you can click on 1, 2, 3, 4. I think just click on 2. Okay, so this is a premium feature they have. And every time you try to access the premium feature, they'll say this. So click. So these layouts are nothing more than on a single tab you can open more number of what do you call this? You can open more number of tabs, nothing more. So if I show you my screen, I'll share my screen quickly. Just see my screen. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So you see, I have this feature where I have two charts open in one layout, and then if I click here, I can have this 8. You know, so I have 8 charts now opened of the same thing. And I can click 16. So now, oh, this is, I also don't have this. Yeah, I can have 8 tabs open at one go. So I can open in different layout, and then I can scroll all this. So I can see so many charts at once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a lot of traders want to see a lot of charts together, because it just helps them for, because cross-sectional analysis and multi-time frame analysis, we learn about that. Eventually, you don't actually need, this is a feature, it's good to have. Otherwise, you can just always scroll the time frame. Na? On this tab, I can click on daily, I can click on weekly, I can click on monthly. So that is how it basically works. You don't need it. So a lot of people think premium is very necessary, which I feel like it is, but Eventually, when you're starting for the first 6-7 months or 1 year, you don't need premium because you will have a lot of time to actually understand the markets, and the premium is way too expensive of TradingView. It's like 40,000, 50,000 a year. So that's the thing. Now, can I continue? Should I continue on my laptop, or the one with Vedish was better? Because I feel a lot of people will actually go with that speed. I will go faster. Vedish will continue on your Mac only, on
Okay.
your laptop only. Yeah. Because if I do, I will cover it very fast, fast, fast. But actually, I have to see it from the point of view of people who are starting, right? So that's one of my issues. Yeah.
Yeah, Parthiv, when we are clicking on charts, we are getting some blue dots, right? What are those blue dots?
Where are you getting blue dots, bro? Can you show me? You can share your screen.
Yeah. Like where is can you click on your chart once? Sure, sure.
Oh, I
Blue
got
dot?
it. On the indicators, it's coming, na? On the moving averages, is it coming on the moving averages? Just click on a moving average with this. Click on the blue one. Yellow one. Yeah, click on it. Yeah, this blue dots.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And this is nothing, bro. This is like, it just shows that if you clicked on the indicator, it is showing you which indicator is actually this a part of. So this yellow line, this orange line, this again yellow line, this red line is the part of the same indicator. And if you double click on it, the settings will open for this indicator directly. Yeah, double click. No, this is now, see, it came up on the candles. So the
Yeah, yeah.
candle settings open. Oh, click OK. Yeah. Now go click on the moving. Now double click on. Now you see the settings are open for this moving average.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Moving MA ribbon, MA1, MA2, MA3, MA4. Okay, so you can just this is so it's personal. You can change this setup if you want some other color for your other moving average. But I like to keep it as R, red, blue, green, yellow. I like red, blue, green, white. So red is 10 for me, blue is 21, green is 50, and then white is 200 for me. I like that color sequence. So that's how I have it. If you guys can have it, it's better because then when if I see charts someday, it will be very easy for me to interpret your charts also. And I request everyone to have the same looking charts. Okay. Click on OK. Let's go. Move on to the next part. You can name your layout something. You see unnamed over there on the top.
Yeah,
Hmm. You can name it something. On the right side, click on the arrow.
this arrow, right?
Yeah. You can click rename. Now you can name it Vedish Layout 1. Yep. Rename. So now so you can have a lot of layouts. So on the top, if you see, there is like this Chrome. Have you used a browser? In that you can open new tabs. So same inside TradingView, you can open new tabs. No, not this feature. See, if can you make your app smaller because it's getting cropped for me from the sides. Just make it smaller ones. Minimize it. Yeah, bring it down. Mm, no. Can you make it smaller? No, not the chart. The entire application window. If you can make it smaller. Press escape to show panels. Yeah. See. On the top it came. Uh,
Yeah, like this.
on the top, if you see, there is a thing called new tab on the top. Absolutely on the top. I think. See. This. New tab. Click on it. Then you can see unnamed. Now click on that plus. Click on that plus. No. On the top. No. Cancel. Press cancel. How do you open a new tab inside Chrome like that? Yeah. Click on it. So the new tab has opened. So you can now select. You can have several layouts like this, and then you can select Vedish layout 1, and then you can open the charts here also. So just go on the first layout now. You don't need this now. Yep. Okay. So the next thing, so the top part we have covered everything. Rest whatever is there, you don't need it. Now we'll come on to the next most important section, now which is this side. Can you come below your name? V. Below V, there is this. Yeah, yeah. From the top, first one we'll start. Yeah, this is a cross. Now you can select arrow. Select arrow. Now bring it on your chart. See, this is turned into an arrow. Can you see? Your cursor, look at your cursor. It's an arrow now. Now go select the same cross. Go on the same place. Select cross. Now you see it will come as a cross. Can you see? It's now a cross. The plus point is coming.
Yeah.
So this is basically for to change the head of your cursor. If you want a arrow, you can put an arrow. If you want a plus, you can have a plus. It's like that. Now the next thing that comes is the next tool. Click on it, Vedish. We'll open it. Yeah. So on the every tool, you'll have a right side. No. Go on the tool again. Yeah, on the right you see now this is all the things that you have and you can draw. So the first thing is trend line. Okay, so if you click on trend line and you can draw trend lines from one top to the other top. Yeah, you see this is how you can draw trend lines. Click on it. Click anywhere. So this is it's okay. This is not actually a trend line, but I mean you can delete it. Right? It's just you can draw trend lines from there. So this is like the drawing tool tab. Okay. You can delete from the top. You see now you click on the trend line and dustbin came. Yeah, remove. Yeah. Now go on that same place again. Click on this. Yeah. So now trend line is there, ray is there, info line, extended line, trend angle, horizontal ray, parallel channel, regression trend. So these are nothing more than same drawing tools. You can go later and explore each and every one of them, click on them and draw them on your chart. Okay. You can explore these things on your own. You don't need actually me to explore, but this tab helps you to draw. So you can just try maybe horizontal line. Try horizontal line. So the horizontal line came across the chart. So it's simple. It's not much. It's basically whichever tool you want to draw it with, you have it or have the access to it over there. So you can keep drawing stuff. You can draw rectangles and stuff. Now click on the next thing. Next, yeah, click on that arrow, right side arrow. Yeah. Now this is where yesterday we are drawing Fibonacci retracement, right? We talked about Fibonacci retracements.
Yes. Yes.
So this is where you get access to Fibonacci retracement from. Okay. Now rest whatever things are there in that same tab. Okay, rest whatever things are there on the same tab. I don't use any of. First thing first, I don't use Fibonacci that much only. I feel it has very less. It's logical, but I don't like it much, so I don't use this tool. But this is what I think. These are all fib channel, fib time zone, fib spiral, fib speed resistance R's, fib wedge, GAN box, GAN square fix. So these are all different kind of people. You can go and explore about their work, and you can understand what kind of stuff they convey. But I don't use them much, so this is what you can access Fibonacci tools from. But the entire column, the name of this entire tool place is called Fibonacci on the top if you see. So we are done with this. Now we'll move on to the next one. Okay. So next one is these are chart patterns. You can click on these and you can draw chart patterns. Now there are something called Elliott wave. A lot of people use it. I also like it. So this is a place where I don't use this tool directly, but I find a lot of head and shoulders pattern. I can find a lot of I don't know what cipher pattern it. XABCD pattern also I don't know. Triangle patterns I know. Elliott waves is like it is made up of 5 waves. You don't need it. There is a book actually I'll share with you all. And you can read it if you want to explore more Elliott wave about Elliott wave. So Elliott wave and all this is nothing more than just trading concepts they have built. I don't use it, but I'm still making money off the market. So you don't need to know each and every concept. Now I'll share my screen and I'll draw and show you a two pattern. So if I just go here and I think we select this head and shoulder pattern. We can draw a head and shoulder pattern. So if I draw it here, so you see this is left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder. So this is called a reverse head and shoulder pattern. Now this head depth will be this thing's target. So that is it. So serum, silk mills eventually should come up till here, but this is what technical analysis 101 is, basically the basic of technical analysis. So this is how you can use these tool to actually draw patterns and stuff, and then you can draw time cycles. So if you click here, so so time cycles and all, it's I don't use much, and you also will never use. So it's pointless teaching you all that. But it's like for advanced technical analysis, because at the end of the day, the market works in cycles. So there is something called 9-year cycle, 4.5-year cycle. They keep dividing. It's pointless. You don't need that. So just ignore this. So but you have access to all this. If you want to go in details to all this, you let me know. I'll send you stuff you can read about. But if I cover all this, this will be a 3 years course. You'll be doing engineering on technical analysis, because it's that much of stuff is there to read about. But you don't need it. You don't need all this to make money. So Elliott impulse wave, Elliott correction wave, triangle wave. So you can access all this from here. I'll send you a book on Elliott wave. You can read it. Some people love this theory. I also I've seen a lot of people make good calls using uh, this Elliott wave, but I've seen a lot of people make worse calls also, because it's not the strategy itself; it's the person that is making the call. Your sense of the market has to be very strong. So I'll stop sharing my screen and we'll move on to the next, where you can start sharing your screen again. Yeah, just delete it. You can keep clicking, finish it off. Click. Yeah. Now make it bigger. Yeah. Now next thing we have is this long short tool. Click on the right arrow again. Oh, right arrow. There is a small arrow. No, yeah. So now this is called long short tool. So long is like basically if you are going long on a share, you click on the long position and you set it. Just click on long position. Yeah. You saw that. See that green box? No. That green and white red box. Yeah. There it came. Drag it. Bring it on your face. Yep, exactly. So now you can set your stop losses. So take the red box
Okay.
on the down. Come more down. No. Cut this. Grab
This one.
the blue color. Yeah. On the left, you see there is this blue boxes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now hold the down one. Hold the lower one. Hold the
This
lower
one.
one. Yeah. Now drag it smaller. Drag it smaller. Yeah. So now you see, if you took this trade, your stop loss would have been hit. Okay, so this is how what risk to reward tool is looks like. So the more smaller your stop losses, you will see risk to reward ratio turned into 3.04. If you make it even smaller, it will go 5.82. If you make it even smaller, it will increase. So I told you at the end of the day, how much money you're going to make, it will be determined by your size of your stop loss. Okay. So this is what long side is. The same thing you can do for short side. Just go on that same tab again. Yeah, now you have short position. Yeah, see, now you are on short side. So if you can again drag the stop losses smaller. This is the same tool, just in reverse. Yep. So this is shorting, that is longing.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So click on that same tool again, toolbox. Yeah. Okay. So now we will go to next measures. Go on measures.
Parthiv, like what is stop loss?
What is stop loss, bro? I'll teach you when we go through stop loss. But stop loss is basically like where you want to get out of the trade, because if you don't get out, you will lose more money. So stop loss is basically stopping your losses.
Okay.
Do you get it? Yeah. We'll go through it, but every strategy has a different stop loss.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on measures. On the measures, the last tab. Mhm.
Last.
Yeah. Measures. That same. You're right at the right place. Yeah, price range, date and price range. Click on date and price range. Yeah, click on it. Now select any point you like the price from. Okay. So from the top, click
Should
on
I
it.
write?
Yeah, click on it. I think you did not select the tool only nicely. You have to select the tool first. Okay, I will share on my screen. 1 minute. See. So this is the tool that we are talking about. This is the tool, date and price range. Now if I click here, what this tool helps you basically is to see from this place to this place. You see this tool on my mouse if you see. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this tool is basically helps you. So it moved up 131% in 112 days. So this tool is basically tells you the date. First thing it's telling you the date, how many bars it took. So it took 12 weeks because we're on the weekly chart. And then how many days did it take for the share price to go from here to here? It took 70 days. Okay. So this is this entire tool's work. So basically, if you just want to know how much has the index moved, you come on the index and you will like how much has IT index fallen. Well, IT is falling, everyone knows that, right? So same, this is the date and range tool. So if I just select here, I can select here. Where did it go? Yeah, so date and price range. So from the top, because this is the top, so from the top, how much it has fallen? It has fallen 43%. So it's simple. So this tool is basically used to see this thing. Now I can again click over here. So how much did the index rise from the COVID low? This is the COVID low, and this was the COVID high, the bull run high. So how much did it rise? 262%. 262% this rose in how many days? 679 days. Can you see here? 679 days, 262.13%.
Yes.
Exactly. So this tool is used to find out how much your share has moved and in how much time. Okay. I'll stop sharing my screen, Vedish, you can share again. I want to keep it on your screen because majority people that will be watching the video will be able to relate with you.
Mm.
So now let's click on the next, click on the right side. Okay, so here you have a lot of stuff to draw with. So I use rectangles a lot, triangles a lot, arrow markers. So let's suppose there is a candle you want to highlight. You can select the arrow markup, click on it, arrow markup, and now just place it under any candle. Yeah, see that arrow came. You see that arrow came under that candle. Can you
Yeah.
see? Yeah, exactly. So this you can highlight candles. So let's suppose I want to mark something, you can mark something. So this brush tool basically signifies the stuff that you can draw on the chart. So that is why it's given a brush sign because you can draw using that chart. Okay. Click on that brush tool. Yeah. No, lower, right? Yes, click here. So say you see, now you can draw all this. Arrow marker, arrow markup, arrow mark down, rectangle, polyline, triangle, arc, curve. You can draw all this on your chart. Now click on rectangle. Now yesterday I was drawing support and resistance, right? I was using those tool. Yeah, you see you can highlight. Now you can click here, click. Just draw a box. Yeah. Now you can click on settings on the top. See settings menu came on the top of that box, right? Yeah. Click on it. Yeah, exactly. That was the right place. More right, right. Yes, settings. Click on it. So now you can change colors if you want border or not, if you want middle line or not. Change the color, change background to red. Yeah. See now the box color will change. Yeah. Click OK. Yeah, click OK. See now the box color has changed. The background has changed. The border is still selected at purple on. Now you can change and customize. Yeah. Just click border. Click any other color if you want. Click white. On the top white because it's a black background. Yeah. Now click OK. See that border has changed. So you can make your own boxes and stuff like that. Now in this, let's suppose you like this layout. You go on that box, do left click, click on that three dot on the top. On the top, yeah, click on the three dot. No, no, not this. Click on this. You see this? You draw this box, no? Manoj
Yeah,
asks, what are these blue dots? Go right click on it. Now you can go. If you scroll down at the end, you will see template on the template tab. Yeah, save as. So now you can save this template. So let's suppose this is the RV Vedish rectangle one. You can save it with a name. You don't have to save it. You don't have to save it. So basically you can change colors. You can write something in the box because there is option for text also inside the box. Cut it. Now just open settings again.
the settings.
Yeah. So now go to text. Yeah. Now you can write whatever you want. So let's suppose you want to use this red color box with a white color background for support. So you can write support and then you can save it in your templates as support. So every time you draw a box, you don't have to change the color. You can just select this box type and it will automatically be saved. Okay.
Yeah.
Click OK. Click OK. So now like this, go to
Uh,
that tab. Yeah, Manoj,
yeah.
tell me.
Once let Varish give the text and select
Yeah,
once.
do it with this. Do whatever is Manoj saying. Just write a text, write something, just write Vedish. Write your name only. Yeah. Okay. So now you will see inside that box there is Vedish. Can you see?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Now you can click left click. Uh, Make it white, bro. Make the text color white. Yeah. Click on white. Yeah. So now do a left click on it.
Here.
Yeah. Do right click. Yeah. Now template. Save as. Name this one. Just give one. Save. So now this is saved as one. Now let's suppose you want to go back to the default one. Go right click on the same place. Template. Click on apply default. So this is the default one that was made. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know. Yeah. Now if you go and click on one, do the same thing. Template one. You see that color changed.
Okay. Okay.
So this is like you can create several layouts like this, which you can eventually use like for because you want to use a rectangle for support also and resistance also, but you don't want your support and resistance to look the same. So every time you draw support and resistance, imagine you have to go and change the color. So to solve that problem, they have given this layout feature. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see the recording again and again, and then eventually it will be clear. So Nirmal, is everything okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's go move on to the next step, Vidish.
I changed it to the the in Chrome one because the app one is very I don't know, it's not matching. So I
It's okay,
changed.
it's okay. We will cover the app one also in a bit. Okay. So let's go now. Pin tab. Okay, so this is also text and notes. This is nothing, same thing. Okay, right? You can what you can put a text if you want to click on text tab. Click on text tab. Click on the see the text add text came right now. Write Reliance Industries. Just write Reliance. So you can write anything on the chart. So next time you open the chart, you will be able to see whatever you wrote for the last time. So if you have made an analysis this time, you can save it on this chart. So basically, so I am waiting for price to come at this support. So next time when you open this chart, this note will be there on the chart. So it will help you basically to understand what analysis did you do last time and left. Okay. So now the next thing which we'll do is, so yeah, you can put all the emojis and stuff. This tab is basically for again scales. Okay, so just open the tab once more. Click
This
on the
one.
tab. Yeah, click on it. Icons, yeah. Yeah, this is all smiley faces and stuff you can put on your chart. If you get a profit, put a smiley face. If you get a loss, put an angry face. Stuff like that. And so we'll move on to the next tab. So the next thing that we will cover is, I think we have covered majority of the stuff. Scales. Click on the plus thing. Let's see that magnifying glass. What does it do? Click on it.
Pa-
Oh, okay, this is just for magnifying. Click on plus. Yeah, just leave it. Yeah. Oh, this just zooms to the area. So let's suppose you want to zoom in an area. You can click on this tool and then it will zoom, take you to that area. Okay, so let's move on to the magnet. Forget the magnet. I don't use the magnet much. So next important tool is that I one. If you see, press on that I. Yeah, hide all drawings. So if you draw anything, if you have a lot of drawings on your chart and your chart becomes kind of cluttered, in one go you don't have to delete all the drawings. What you can do is you can click on this I and all the drawings will go away. Same you can do this for indicator. Click on that arrow beside that I. Yeah. So hide indicators, hide all. So you can select this. So yeah, see now this all the indicators went. Hide positions. Yeah, you can hide all. If you hide all your indicators and all whatever you have drawn will go away and the chart will become fresh. So in a glimpse, if you want your chart to look fresh, you can use this tool. So we have covered everything from top to bottom till now. Now what you need to do is you need to use this tool slowly, and this is the basic of TradingView. More than that, I think we will cover this. Now in below we have 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 month, right? Can you see on the top? Yeah. So this is nothing more than if you click on year YTD. Let's suppose you click on YTD. Yeah. So this is showing now 1 year of data in one go. So this is the last year same day candle. Go on the first green candle. Don't scroll. Just take your cursor over there. Go more left, more left, more left. Yeah. So you see 1st Jan 2026. This is the first candle of the year, and then this is the last candle till now, whatever has happened. So this is called YTD, year to date, I think. Okay. So if you click on 1 year, just beside YTD, if you click on 1 year, so this is, so now the first candle, if you go and see the first candle, yeah. So it's 3rd July 2025, and what is today's date? 5th July. So the last day the market was open and today's market. So this is 1 year of data that has happened in the stock chart in last 1 year. You get it?
yeah, got it.
So like this is just a thing that they've created. So if you want to view a lot of data and specific time of data in a certain period of time, you can do this from here. Now, if you want customized, you can click on this thing on the right. On the right, can you see? Yeah. You can go to a custom range. You can select any date and then you can go there. So let's suppose you want to view data from July 2025, July to 31st July 2025. Click on 31st now. No. On the, yeah, click on 31st. 31st. Yeah. Oh, 31st July has not happened only, na? Go back. Go back in time. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, just select this 2025. Okay, click OK. Go to. So now this is the data time duration that is selected, and this is the entire data that has happened in this what do you call, in this
Time
period
period.
of time. Yeah, in this time period exactly. Now this is it. Now other than that, there is nothing else to cover inside TradingView. We have officially like covered all the things in TradingView mostly. Now all the things that are on the right, you don't need it. Okay, so just open the watch list section. I'll cover the watch list area. I missed that. Okay, now drag. Yeah, click on watch list. Yeah. Now in this watch list, you can delete and you can add new symbols. So what we'll do is, as of now, I think in TradingView free version, there is only one watch list that you can make and use. So you will have to use one watch list only. Okay, so just click on the left three dot menu. Yep. Click, no, no, not this. Okay, so click on this watch list name. Click on the watch list. Yeah. Now do clear list. Yeah, clear. Exactly. And now you can add symbols over here. So click on that plus sign. Yeah. Now search Reliance. Yeah, you see that plus symbol coming. Now see that Reliance is in your watch list. Okay,
Yeah.
cross it. Now click on that watch list again. Now you will find add section. Add section. Yeah. So now you can name this section as large cap or big companies. Then you can create subsections. So you can create subsections and then more subsections, and you can use the same watch list for to track different kind of stocks at one place. I have like 300 watch list because it's a premium version. But once you get premium, you will also be able to do it. But you don't need premium as of now. So this watch list will be your main watch list. Now you can add up to 1000 stocks in one list. So I think that's a lot of stocks you can actually add. And this is what your watch list is basically. I have given you that moving average tool. Play around with indicators. Next day, when we start with our class, we will, I think next only we'll take doubts because most of the stuff is covered. So right now, if you guys have any question, please ask up it. And otherwise, we will end the class today.
Okay. What is the invert chart like yesterday you have
Okay,
done?
okay. Click on that thing. Yeah. Left on the price menu. Yeah. Right click. No. You are at the right place. Yeah.
Okay.
No, more right. Yeah. No, not here, not here. Wait. Cut. Bring the uh, cursor on the scale. Can you bring it on 1520?
1520. Yeah.
Yeah. This scale you have to bring it in. Yeah. More right. Yes, exactly on this. Now right click. Now you'll see all this is scale data. Now here you have that option of invert scale. Up, more top, invert scale. Exactly. See now red candles are going up, green candles are coming down. Okay.
Okay.
So some people
For
just like to buy. Tell.
for what they will use this invert scale?
Okay, I'll tell you. So a lot of people like only to buy. So when you try to be good at something, try to be good at only one thing. They say it. If you try to be good at one thing, you will be exceptionally good at it. So this is the same reason they have this feature for. So let's suppose you just want to buy, you don't want to sell, but the market shifted from bullish to bearish, but you want to buy. So what you will do is you'll just invert the scale. So now red candles are going up, if you see, and green candles are falling. है ना?
Oh,
So the
yeah.
entire game is reversed. So you can keep buying. Now it's not only that the candles have reversed, the indicators will also reverse. Everything is reversed. Okay. So now short tool will become your long tool. If you go here and click on short on the left side.
Here.
No. On the tool section. I taught you long short just now in this class, na?
Okay.
Long
Okay.
short tool, yeah. No more up. Yeah. No more up.
Uh,
Yeah, long position. So now if you try to go long, you will see that will become short because the chart is inverted. Click on short position. Okay, it's okay. You clicked on long. So now you see you click long position, but it is coming as shorting. Now just revert. Leave this over here. Okay. Now
oh,
reverse your scale. Invert scale. Click on again. Invert scale. See now this rotated how. Okay.
yeah. Got it.
Okay. Any more doubts, anyone?
Should we always use invert scale or we can just
No. Invert scale
choose?
is not for you at all right now. You are not going to short anytime soon, bro. It's a lot of time. I don't even short that.
Okay.
Okay. With Manoj, anything else?
And I think till now what you told regarding this trading view, it's I understand it, but
Mm-hmm.
like how to keep the stop loss or how to
Bro,
trade.
that is so different. That is how to trade. Today
Yeah,
we
yeah.
learned how to use TradingView only. Where I want
Ah,
you to now go and play with this tool. Okay, this is a massive tool. You
okay.
can play with this tool for this entire week.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so we will cover that. That is a different thing. But if I don't
Yeah,
teach you how to use trade chart, how to see charts, then whatever I teach, you will not be able to go and backtest on your own. So that is why I covered this topic as soon as possible.
okay, okay.
Okay,
And
I'm going to. Yeah, tell.
yesterday you told right regarding this moving averages and all. So just keep on some random chart and see this moving averages how it's
Yeah,
working.
just see how it is working and then use this replay mode. So you make a theory that I will buy whenever price comes to 21 moving average. So you
Okay.
try to do that and see how what is happening. Okay, when is it working? When is it not working? Go change time frames. Now you know how to change time frames also. So go on
Yeah, yeah.
weekly and see, go on monthly and see, and just explore around.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Don't worry about anything else. I'll take care of each and everything. Okay.
So Parthiv, one more doubt regarding this replay thing.
Mm-hmm.
So suppose if today's date is 5/7/2026,
Mm-hmm.
uh, like if I keep replay on 1/7/20 sorry 1/1/2026 from 1/1/2026 to 5/7/2026, whatever the stock moves, that only we can see, right?
Mm. No. Recording is different. Okay, that is range. Range thing you're confusing with replay mode. Okay, replay mode is different. Replay you can do from anywhere. So just click on replay. Okay, and
Yeah,
now
can you slow a bit in this replay mode?
yeah, start new. Put start new. Yeah, now click on select bar. No. Below low. Bring your cursor down. No, more right now. No, right. Click on that arrow beside select bar.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Now click first available date. So now this is the first day Reliance got listed. Play it now. So this is the first day Reliance got listed. What year is this? 1995.
Yeah.
So you can do it from here.
Okay,
And
okay.
that candle thing you're asking is for different. It's just for viewing the data. But
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is for backtesting the data. Okay.
Yeah.
Just just go through the recording once again and test it out yourself. You will eventually get it. And whatever questions you have, I will have one more session definitely. But
Yeah.
I'm going to upload this on YouTube. So
Yeah.
everyone's okay with it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Chalo, I'll stop the recording right here. See you guys in next class, and people watching on YouTube, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.